Hey everyone, Shraddha here. I have got to know that a lot of people are struggling to, maybe they are taking some subscription for getting to cancel it, and also there are a lot of apps. If I talk about Canva, then Medium, okay, Medium also is there. Then Quora Plus subscription. A lot of people are like asking about Quora Plus too, and then it comes to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is too costly, and even if you are using any tool, suppose this vidIQ, okay, या तो ट्यूब बडी, इस तरह के जो टूल्स है, वॉट एवर टूल्स यू आर यूजिंग, if you are taking the subscription for this month, or even if you are using the free that free trial version of them, so make sure to cancel it if you don't want them to deduct your amount automatically. Because if I talk about Canva subscription also, suppose you can see it right here, okay, it's like you, what all you need to do, just go there, okay, go to your Google Play Store, click on your profile photo, then you can see payment and subscriptions, okay, go there, then go for subscription, go there, and downside you can see, okay, firstly you need to choose the app for which you need to cancel it, okay. Suppose if I talk about Canva, that is now active for me, so I will be clicking on Canva. Downside you can see cancel subscription, and it will cancel this month subscription. Even if I am cancelling it today, so I will be getting my money back within 1 to 2 days, because it's been, I think, 2 to 3 days when I like got this subscription of Canva. I think on 14th I took it, so within, even it's just 16 or 17, 18 something, so for 3 to 4 days of usage also they used to refund our amount. When it comes to LinkedIn, Canva, or maybe Quora Plus or Medium, or whatever apps are there, so there are a lot of apps that, and also there is a one video editing app called Render Forest, so this app is also too good. So it's like if you are even using it for 2 to 3 days, and if you are realizing that this is not of so much of use, so you can cancel it and you can get your refund, okay. You just need to select a good option. Suppose cost related, decline to answer. If you don't want to say anything, you can decline. It's just a formality kind of question. It is not at all going to make you into to make you to get into any kind of conversation. They won't call you, they won't ask you for like details or anything. They are not at all going to do it. They will refund your money within 1 to 2 days, okay. So you need to continue and then proceed. I don't want to cancel my Canva subscription, I'm not at all proceeding with it. So now coming back to one thing, one or like एक और ऐसी चीज़ है that I want to explain. So just go there, payment, subscriptions, okay, Canva. So after going to Canva, click on the app. Here you can see this. Now go downside, okay. Here you can see Google Play refund policy. You can also get the policies details here, okay. So once you have read it, so you can go with request a refund on the Google Play website, okay. You can see this. If a purchase was accidentally made by a friend or family member using your account, so they are not at all going to asking you to confirm or to approve how your point is valid. You just need to click on the option, and that's it. You will be getting your refund. So yeah, you'll get it, don't worry. As you can see, also see this, see how long your refund will take. It will take only, they used to write 3 to 4 days or something, but it will take only one day, I think. You can see 3 to 5 business day. But sometimes, if suppose if I am cancelling it right now, so by tomorrow 11 or 12 am, it's morning time, so they will be refunding our amount. So please don't worry about anything related to this, just that you can see this. Once you have read everything, you can go downside. Here too, you can go to a request a refund, and then you can continue. You need to confirm your account. Yes, I am using this account for whatever apps I have downloaded. So you can see my this Canva. So once I'll click here, I'll proceed and I can get my refund back, but I don't want to get into it because I'm using it. I am handling my clients through this, so I don't want to do it, okay. So yeah, just do it, and if you find or face any problem, just let me know. I'll help you. I'll help my best level. And yeah, don't worry, whatever amount it is, maybe 2000, 4000, 5000, you will get it, okay. Just that you need to take action very quickly. Suppose if I am though I can take action after 1 or 2 days also, but still it's good if you are taking action as soon as possible. Suppose if I am taking it I'm down. I have got, like, suppose I have bought any kind of subscription, if I talk about Canva, okay, and I feel that next month I will pay by myself. I don't want them to automatically deduct my amount, okay. So what I'll do, I'll just go and I'll cancel the subscription, so that I am not at all going to charge next time. Or there is one auto pay option, so that also you can cancel, okay. So yeah, just stay tuned, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, or you face any issue related to the topics that I used to cover, just let me know. I will be helping you in all way possible, okay. Thank you, stay tuned, and bye bye.